more great personality whom I met way back, roughly around 2012 or 13, in the mid of 2012-13, when we started, keeping our footprint in US healthcare industry. I have admired her leadership quality. I've admired her, the way she interact. Her name is Rajee Padma, who heads the entire human resource of Allzone Management solution. I've been working with Rajee for a very long time, and it's been great. She's very down-to-earth person. The way she take care of Das Manpower Consultancy in terms of business, in terms of personal support, in terms of teaching me how you should drive the numbers, how you should drive the team. She has given me a lot of inputs. I would request Rajee to come on stage. It's been a great where your support has been absolutely fantastic, without which I don't think so we would have been standing here, we would have been delivered our footprints in US healthcare industry. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. I represent Allzone Management Solutions in the HR department. So way back, I don't remember exactly whether it was an informal meeting or a formal meeting. So it was 2012, and we just had another location to ramp up very quickly, and there were about 40 to 50 requirements that were before me. And we are a mid-tier company, we are not a tier 1 company like, and we just had more limitations in terms of all aspects when it comes to recruitment. But I was very happy to be associated with Das and Shalini. We had a weekend drive Saturday and Sunday, and almost we completed our requirement. And though professionally that is something different, and I personally have my good wishes to both Shalini and Das. It's been, we have been greatly associated, and I would wish success going forward also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajee. Thank you so much for your wishes.